Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is disposal of solid wastes. Methods of solid waste disposal and management are as below. Number first is sanitary landfill of solid wastes. Sanitary landfill can be designed to be environmentally acceptable means of waste disposal. Means of waste disposal. Sanitary landfill method is simple, cheap, and effective. Simple, cheap, and effective. Cheap means obtainable at a low price. Obtainable at a low price. And effective means desired. Number second, a deep trench 3 to 5 meter is excavated. Refuse is laid in layers. Refuse is laid in layers. Refuse the worthless or useless part of something, for example trash, garbage. Worthless or useless part of something, for example garbage, trash, etc. Layers are compacted with some mechanical equipment. Layers are compacted with some mechanical equipment and covered with earth and covered with earth, leveled and compacted, leveled and compacted. With the passage of time, the fill would settle. With the time, the fill would settle. Microorganisms act on the organic matter and degrade them. Microorganisms act on the organic matter and degrade them. Facultative bacteria hydrolyze complex organic matter. Facultative bacteria hydrolyze complex organic matter into simple complex organic matter into simple water soluble soluble organics. Facultative bacteria are organisms that can switch between aerobic and anaerobic types of metabolism. These diffuse through the soil. These diffuse through the soil where fungi and other bacteria convert them. Where fungi and other bacteria convert them to carbon dioxide and water under aerobic conditions and water under aerobic conditions. Aerobic methanogenic bacteria, aerobic methanogenic bacteria utilize the methane generated utilize the methane generated and the rest diffuses into the atmosphere, diffuses into the atmosphere. Too much refuse shall not be buried because of fire hazard. Too much refuse shall not be buried because of fire hazard. Moisture content not less than 60% for good biodegradation, not less than 60% for good biodegradation. Refuse depth more than 3 meter, danger of combustion due, danger of combustion due to compression of bottom layers, due to compression of bottom layers, hence should be avoided, hence should be avoided. Refuse depth is generally limited to 2 meters. Refuse depth is generally limited to 2 meters. Temperature in the initial stages of decomposition as high as 70 degrees centigrade, then drops. Reclaimed areas may be used for other uses. Components of a typical landfill. Components of a typical landfill, which I show you in this diagram. This is groundwater. Waste. This layer is final layer. This is water monitoring system, gas control, and this is leachate collection system. Leachate collection system, and this layer is inner synthetic or liner synthetic or natural, and this is methane monitoring. Methane monitoring system. Bottom of the trench is laid with impervious material to prevent the leachate from contaminating groundwater. From contaminating groundwater. A well-designed and laid out leachate collection mechanism is to be provided. Leachate, so called, is treated and disposed of. Treated and disposed of. So this is the components. These are the components of a typical landfill. Thank you.